So this is our master's final year project. We've created a morphing wing, designed and manufactured, and it's being controlled by a Bluetooth controller. We're going to show you a demonstration of how it works. So currently it's at 0 degree trailing edge deflection, and from the controller we can change the deflection angle to 20 degrees. If we keep going up, so this is currently max deflection, which corresponds to 40 degree trailing edge deflection. You can see there's a laminate skin on the upper and lower surface as well. We have 5 ribs that connect the whole wing, and 2 servo motors that control the actuation. Now if we go back to 0 degree deflection, this is the morphing wing.